So this is where Snoop Dogg was yesterday, Dog Beach. But they took everything out in one day. That was just yesterday. You can see a lot of tire marks and stuff from the ceremony yesterday in the Olympics. Alright, first cast here at Dog Beach with my drop shot. Got like 30 minutes of sun left. What can we do in 30 minutes? We'll find out. I already got a bite. I already had a bite the first cast. So I've already had something take my bait twice. So I'm moving to this stronger plastic. The gulps are a little bit softer, this is stronger. Guys, the sun is setting. I already got like 3-4 bites, but they keep ripping it off. I've never had that happen before. Something keeps ripping it off. So we have like 10, we have like no minutes left. The sun is pretty much set. We had like less than 30 minutes. Actually it was like 10-15 minutes. Right as the sun is setting, guys, landed one finally. Finally landed one. Oh, I haven't landed it yet. I'm still fighting it. I'd say it's a croaker, maybe. It's pulling pretty nicely. I'd say croaker. Let's see. Root. Oh no, I think it's a Corbina. So that's what's been biting it. Corbinas. No, it's a Corbina. I think this is what's been stealing my bait, Corbinas.
Can I touch it? Can I touch its tail, Bob?
Espérame.
Can I touch its tail? Let's go in the water. Bob, I want to touch its tail.
Espérame.
Quick, the foot round.
Corbina, Mikey.
A what? What can be?
Ah, I thought I had a nice one.
I found my hand.
What I got? Seaweed.
Let's go.
So these summer evenings are always pretty nice fishing right before the sun sets. I've been fishing for about like 15-20 minutes. Sun is already down. Let's see if I can catch another one. I was getting bites from the first cast. Now it's kind of slowing down a little bit. Maybe I can get one more in before the sun sets completely. What's up, guys? Hopefully it's a fish. It has good weight to it. It better be a fish. I'll be mad if it's not a fish. But it's got some nice weight to it. If it's a fish, it's a nice one. But it's not fighting. It's not fighting. What is this thing? Ah, darn you people, man, with all your dirty bags. Throwing all your trash in the water. Ah, thought I had a nice fish. That's a fish. Fish number 2. Did it fall off? Oh no, did you fall off, fish? Better not have fallen off. I think it's still on. Mikey, get out the way. I think it's running towards me. Get out the way, get out the way. It kind of felt like nothing, now it kind of feels like something. Watch out, get out the way. Oh, it's because it's stuck on seaweed, that's why.
What is that? A Mexicana fish. Throw it on the kill it and eat it for dinner. I'm hungry.
Go fast. Grab it.
No.
Grab it and throw it in the water. Here. Hurry up. Here. Another one, guys. Back to back. Oh, did I lose it? Or is it running towards me again? Tell Mikey. Keeps running this way. Out. Another one. It's his brother. Look, Mikey. That's his brother. His twin brother.
Can I do something at it? Am I doing this?
No. No, déjalo, déjalo. We're gonna throw it back. Alright guys, the croakers are biting. It's always hot out here. The summer nights, I always catch a lot of fish. Look at my other videos. You'll see that summer nights, evenings are hot. Caught another one, guys. This feels weird. I think it's a bat ray. Oh, this is heavy. I think it's a bat ray. It's kind of moving weird, but it has a lot of weight to it. This could be the last fish, guys, of the day. I would say it's a bat ray because it's moving kind of weird. Oh, it's a shovel nose. Mikey! Mikey, look! The shovel nose. The shovel nose, guys. Another one, guys. Another one. Good job, Mikey. Mikey! Get out the way. It's going towards you. Watch out, we're going this way.
Am I dead?
A bigger one. A bigger one. That's number 3, 4, 5. 5, not bad. 5 in less than 30 minutes. That's it for tonight, and see you guys again next time on DMR Fishing. Alright guys, so that's it. Maybe pretty good 30 minutes or so of fishing. Caught 5 fish. I love it. Love these little nights. This is what I kind of expected and what I was hoping for. I did this last year too, got similar results. It's always fun to come out here late and try to catch fish. Got a lot of bites, so I highly recommend coming out here in the summertime right before sunset and catching some fish. See you guys next time.